I will never forget my baby's first bath. Let's make sure yours is just as special. First, gather all your supplies. You'll need a baby bathtub, mild soap, a soft washcloth, and a towel. Fill the tub with just a few inches of lukewarm water. Test it with your wrist to ensure it's not too hot. Next, gently place your baby in the tub, supporting their head and neck. Use the washcloth to clean their face and eyes first, avoiding soap. Then, wash their body, starting from the top and working your way down. Remember to clean those tiny fingers and toes. Once they're clean, lift your baby out carefully and wrap them in a warm towel. Pat them dry gently, especially in the folds of their skin. And that's it. You've just given your newborn a safe and soothing bath. Enjoy these precious moments.